My name is Yumiko Asakura. I am introducing my workshop in Portugal, in Coimbra, Portugal, in the forest. I will be doing universal shamanic initiation. It is an initiation for you to connect with nature in a shamanic way. So you communicate at a deeper level with nature. You become more connected to your own soul. The nature will start to help you more to be aware of who you really are. When you are supported by nature, when you are deeply connected with nature, it will become easier for you to see your uniqueness. It will become easier for you to express your unique essence in this world. The support and the connection with nature at a deeper level really help you to be courageous, to be expressive about what you want in this lifetime. It will help you to be spiritual in the way to achieve your purpose. It will help you to be intuitive. It will help you to connect to yourself. It will probably help you to be able to meditate better because you feel more comfortable in your body. You will feel more comfortable in this world. The connection to the nature at the shamanic level help you to communicate yourself, help you to communicate with nature. It's not only about trees or plants. It is also about the Gaia, the life force in everything. We are living in harmony with this awareness of Gaia. So this initiation also helps you to be more aware of the Gaia, the essential and dynamic harmony in this world, governed by nature. I hope you can come to this workshop and experience the spiritual healing, the shamanic healing of your being, to find out more about yourself, find out who you are, where you are in this world, in this universe. Then you can ground yourself more firmly to this world and be courageous about your self-expression. I hope you come and receive healing from the nature, and I hope you learn to receive healing from nature wherever you are. This is an initiation. So the connection you feel, you experience in this workshop, you will take it with you. You will be able to use the connection in your daily life. Please come and experience this connection, and please enjoy this connection in your life.